courage and power from all these people and thus wishes to make them prouder. No, not only for not only he achieved this freedom not in a one day. He was struggled lot of days. He worked for lot of these days, for lot of days, and he was in jailed, prisoned 27 around 27-30 years for this day. Okay, don't forget it. The policy the policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and people. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. But the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Toms, the Walter Sislers, the Chef Luthlis, the Yusuf Dados, and the Bram Fishers, the Robert Sobukwas of our time, men of such extraordinary. The photos are there, you just watch and do. If you are able, then you can paste it on your book copy also. These are some prominent names. The struggle against the apartheid means before Nelson Mandela, they were working to the freedom for blacks. See exercise 2 on page 25. Okay. Courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be. That their like never be known again. Perhaps it requires such depths of oppression to create such heights of character. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth it is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamonds. Okay? According to him, apartheid means you already know that what is the meaning, racial segregation. Okay, segregation means division. Okay, profound means very great or intense. Unintended means not planned or meant. Unintended means not planned or meant. The oppression policy, oppression means the subdue policy scarred many people. Scarred means oppressed. The oppression people policy, the subdue policy scarred many people, and it will take a long time for them to move on. The author mentions that this hard time had its negative impacts, but it also exposed a lot of strong and courageous men who stood up and raised their voice. Thus, it required the level of unjust treatment to produce such a great hero. South Africa, he says, rich minerals and gems, but its greatest strength lies in its people. You already know that in geography you learned that South Africa has a lot of rich minerals, natural resources, lot are there, but according to the Nelson Mandela's concept, rich in minerals and gems, but it's the greatest strength lies in its people. That is the real diamond he is describing in this lesson. Okay. I hope you understood that. Let me move on. Next paragraph. It is from these comrades, you know what is? It is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of comrade means a colleague or a fellow. Comrade means colleague or fellows. It is from these comrades, the struggle, that I learned the meaning of courage. Time and again, I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. I have seen men stand up to attacks and for torture without breaking, showing a strength and resilience. Resilience means the ability to deal with any kind of hardship and recover from its effect. Okay? That defies the imagination. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it, triumph over it. The brave man is not who does not feel afraid. Who does not feel afraid. Triumph means victory. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers it. Resilience means the ability to deal with any kind of hardship and recover from its effects. Defies means refuse to obey. Refuse to obey. Whenever they are, the blacks were not learning, not tell to defies, then they will not get the freedom. Nelson Mandela realized that. Okay. Triumph means a great victory, achievement. Okay. Nelson Mandela collected, emerged his all strength to stand against the wrong from all the great nationalists he mentioned above, who have even risked their lives for freedom and tolerated ill treatment but never stopped fighting. Lot of them fighted but did not get. Then finally Nelson Mandela also emerged his all courage and he stood for the freedom. He stood to fight the freedom for black. Okay. He learned that courage didn't mean the absence of fear, but the ability to overcome fear. He understood that what was the problem of blacks? Fear. They are fearing the white supremacy, white people. So first of all, what he decided that remove the fire from the people. Courage will save the courage, will acquired the courage didn't mean the absence of fear but the ability to overcome fear. The man who overcomes his fear is called brave. We can call that the man who overcomes his fear is called a brave person. So first we done that what is the people should become brave. Remove the fear from them. That is the okay. No one is born hating another person. It's a fact. Really. Because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. People must learn to hate. And if they learn to hate, they can taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Even the grimmest times in the present, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guards, perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. According to the Mandela's, no one is born hating another person, definitely, because of the color of skin or his. When a baby born, he doesn't know what is his color and what is the black, a white, and nothing. So no one is born hating another person because of the color of skin or his background or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. If a person must learn to hate, then why? They definitely learn the love also. These are the natural process. Love and hate are the natural process. If a person must learn a hate, they should definitely learn the love also. More naturally to the human heart. It is the natural process of the human heart. Then its opposite. Even in the grimmest times, grimmest means toughest, very serious or gloomy. Toughest time, grimmest times in present, when he was in prison. Maybe suppose you already know that they are badly treated, very badly treated. Suppose they badly treated to him in the jail, prison. When my comrades means what is comrades? I told you what is comrades? Fellow. Comrade means colleague or fellow, those who are living with them in the jail. Comrades and I were pushed to our limits. I would see a glimmer of humanity. Glimmer means a shine. Grimmest means a toughest. Glimmer means a shine faintly with a wavering light. Pushed to means a shining. Glimmer, my glimmer of humanity's brightness in one of the guards, perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. Pushed to our limits means pushed to the last point in our ability to bear the pains, suffer the pains, the last minute of suffer the pain. Reassure means say or do something to remove the doubts. Say or do something to remove the doubts. Pushed means pushed to the last point in our ability to bear the pain. Okay. So, man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. Man's goodness is a flame like a fire. What he was telling, man's goodness is a fire like that can be hidden but never extinguished. Hidden means what? Hidden, sudden, hidden, chupakeri, hidden. Never extinguished. Extinguished means to put out. Okay. One is taught by its society to hate humans because of their skin, color, age, gender, and religion. No one is born with hatred. The author's idea is that if people can be taught hatred, they can also be taught love and brotherhood. In their most testing times, the present when they were being treated brutally, Mandela would see a pinch of humanity and kindness in one of the guard. Pinch means little bit, and that was the enough to keep him going. Means rest of the days to spend the jail, it is very enough to that. Okay, he believes that goodness in human beings can be suppressed. Means suppressed but never eliminated, never put out. Okay, I hope you understood. Try to write the comprehension check questions. 5 questions were there. You have to write this in your copy. Thank you.